Tall versus long. Hi everyone, today we are diving into the difference between tall and long with some examples. Let's explore. You can describe tall as being used for something that is standing or vertical. Look at these two pictures, which are standing. You can describe long as being used for something that is flat or horizontal. Look at these two pictures. Both of them are flat. Now let's look at some examples together. The first example, building. Long or tall? Perfect. A tall building. Why? Because a building is standing. The next example, road. Long or tall? Excellent. A long road. Why? Because a road is flat. Tree. Long or tall? Excellent. A tall tree. Why? Because a tree is standing. Next example, rope. Long or tall? Very good. A long rope. Why? Because a rope is flat. Another example, river. Long or tall? Very good. A long river. Why? Because a river is flat. The next example, mountain. Long or tall? Very good. A tall mountain. Why? Because a mountain is standing. Now it's your turn. What's the answer? Tall or long? Person. Drop your answers in the comments. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next video. Bye.